here with our friend Omar. Is going to explain us how to open a coconut with a machete. It's something that I'm not going to try because I don't want to lose my fingers, but Omar is pretty experienced, so no finger should be flying around. Let's start. Nice. Thank you, Omar. It's amazing. Oh my God, so delicious. Salute.
Hello.
Grazie, Omar. I like to place my coconut water in the fridge with a little bit of ice and drink it like 30 minutes after it's been open. It's so refreshing. With a hot day like this, it's what you want, especially in the afternoon. Wow. This type of coconuts are great for the coconut water, but also for the meat. The meat is actually really good. It's like the one that you buy in the store. And I just need to peel it out a little bit. This is good. Today we went in town and I found these giant avocados. These are typical avocados from Nicaragua. Look at the size. I'm going to eat one right now. Wow, looks so good. Salt, pepper. It's a little bit more soft than the Canadian avocados, like less dry. Perfect for guacamole. It's also so good to just eat like this. Hola. ¿Podría comprar de Yuca Chips? 5 or 6. 5 or 6. Solo yuca, solo yuca.
¿Le vais a hacer?
No, no, gracias. No necesito la bolsa. Esta use my bolsa, gracias. These are amazing. Everybody should try them, and they're also very healthy. So happy. 6 packages. Gracias, buenos días. Gracias. I got them, so happy. My bag full of Yuca Chips. I want to promote this snack. This is a Yuca chip. Look how pretty it is. This chip is becoming my favorite snack here in Nicaragua. The best one comes from street vendors actually. You cannot find this type of packaging at the grocery store. Only 3 ingredients: the oil used for cooking, the salt, and the actual yuca itself. Yuca is a root, same family of potatoes, has a longer shape. It looks like a... Okay, let's not say what it looks like. Now, these chips are not only delicious, but they're a healthy alternative to potato chips. I prefer the taste of this 100 times more. Helps you to support your immune system and is rich in vitamins and minerals. It's antioxidant, helps the absorption of iron in your system, and also provide potassium that helps to regulate your blood pressure. In some previous videos, I was complaining I cannot find good cheese in Nicaragua. I only been looking in supermarkets and I've been avoiding street vendors because the cheese, it looked a little bit weird to me, but I'm just not used to it. So today, after some of the viewers recommended, I got some street vendor cheese. It's fresh cheese. I show you. This one is smoked. It looks like that, with little little holes in the center. And this one is more fresh. You can see it's also a little bit whiter. So the concentration of fat is lower in this case. Okay, first of all, I want to try the regular one, the one that is not smoked. I like it, it's good. Okay, let's try the smoked one now. This one is almost like a very salted feta. Even the consistency is closer to a feta cheese. Good, they're both really good. I prefer the fresh one. It's a little bit less salty, and I feel like it's a bit lighter to eat. And yeah, I'm going to buy more often now, and it's a good choice. Thank you for the recommendations.